see this connection here, connector is different. Now I'm gonna take this circuit out and put in the other circuit, make everything match up. If this work, I want to give me 500 subscribers, you know, guys. So go on. Look at that. Look at that. Put some heat on this bed. See the guys? Fully up and running. That is it. See it there? Yeah guys, welcome back to the Robinson family vlog. Yeah man, I'm gonna show you something I never see yet. This is something I normally do. You understand, but I never really show it publicly. People who know me know though. You understand? Yeah man, I have a TV where I gotta replace the light, you know, or just exchange the screen to black point TV, right? One of them the backlight gone, and one of them the screen has been broken. And also I go change a broken screen and replace it with a new one for this Samsung phone. See me have my heat gun ready and my tools, everything together. Here man, the screen brand new here. Yeah man, so as we go along, I'm show you how I go on. Yeah man, so me getting out now when the sun soon come over the side here. You understand, I should do it from morning, but I watch the sun and the heat catch out here outside there's some work normally. Yeah man, so catch you at that time pulling up the TV first thing. So yeah, I go on the first testing now. Okay, check which one of them the backlight good enough and see which one of them the broken screen, you know, so I can know if it look alright. Yeah man, the one that look like the new one, the screen look alright so far, so let me just check power coming in. Weird. Oh, under here. Alright, so it has a standby. Press the standby. Okay, good. So the one here, the backlight gone. It's inside the same TV then what I might do is just put the screen over and make it more easier over upon the other one. Right? So I'm gonna pull up this now. So catch you on that. Alright. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna start the pulling up, right? Yeah man. So I think I should remove the bad screen first and have that base ready, and then put it up, pull the good one last. Alright. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, where's my screwdrivers? Look up now. No, it wasn't. Still have it. What is it? Just make sure it's not okay. Seems like we need the bigger. We need the bigger Phillips. Yes, so. This, you know, on a real day, I think at a 7, I get it for 30. Yeah, use. And if, yeah, about that, yeah. Because if you buy it online, it's going to work out to be the same. Although sometimes you can get some good offer. You understand? But you just have to do it at the right time. Like Black Friday. Black Friday is a good time.
Then one of them is sprung with like Nicky and Clyde.
Well, you use and do everything in it right now. Do everything for me. You understand? But yeah, when we get it, we take the man foolish advice and end up dip it in the river. On the river vlog. I don't know if you remember that video when I dip the camera in the water and see come up and have some little fog things in it. The whole of the water running at the camera. Come on, sell me and say oh it's a waterproof camera. But it is waterproof, you know. But you know when you have them for a period of time, the waterproof seal them becomes weird, you understand? So right now I may not buy a waterproof case for it. Yeah, for the river vlogs and the beach, the pool party them when I go shoot music videos and all of them stuff there. Yeah man, so I don't know. So that you know. So there's a shell on the TV right now. He's not a man of many words, you know, so sometimes when I hear me go silent, yeah, I just try to get to this vlogging thing, get used to it, you know. Yeah, because I do a whole heap of things, you know, guys. Whole heap of things I do. He's a jack of many trades. You understand? Many trades. You see me? Even my own car I fix. Yeah, man, he's a music engineer. All of them things there. I shoot music video for a living. All of them things there. Me. You understand? Fine, I'm making this. Let's stand up. Go through my parts bag here. I say I can find a better Phillips, you know? Yeah, man. Wipe off this. Yeah, man, I look through the parts back there. Yeah, it's not fine here. Yeah, guys. Right, you know? Back to pulling up again. I should have tested the light to see if it might work before anything. So I thought they look yum up. Like them feed it to wrap them. Anyway, I give it a one test. Let's see if the light them is still right to work. They look corrupt. Yeah man, them good. Turn on. Turn on guys. Good. I'm ready. No, see, I whole heap of liquor pulling up me have to do, you know, so I'm just bear with me liquor. Yeah man, just bear with me liquor. No, a whole heap of liquor pulling up me have to do. Alright, I have one more screw. You know, some there, so pull up a GoPro where water damage and fix it back, and when I'm done, I say, you know, so I should have vlog it. I laugh for myself. Because I know people that like to see that and see the repair. And when I don't forget it back and work. Yeah. Never remember a thing. Fix car system the other day. And when I'm done, I say, you know, so I should have vlog it. Yeah, because you know, just to get into this vlogging thing. Yeah man, and on a day-to-day basis, me very busy, I always have things to do. So why not bring on along and make us see what I go. Yeah man. You know, sometimes when I just sit down and some little things ones I want to get done, when I might say I'm capable to do it and reach out and we can help you out at the same time. You see me I say? And don't be afraid to like, share and comment on the videos, guys. You get what I say? Yeah man, don't be afraid to like, share and comment on the videos. You see me? That help build the algorithm and help push it out there to more people. You can get to view and see what go on, just like how you can see it. You understand? Yeah man, someone want to help me out, subscribe to the channel. You understand? Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I know I'll be so greedy if me even get 500 until me can reach the next 5. But right now, it'll take time tracker still now, I like that. You understand me? The 135 the last time I check. I think at 35 or 30, some 30 something the last time I check. So me I beg you now, just touch the subscribe button now please. So we can go on the vlog them, you can see what I go on. You understand? Just disconnect this. Alright, so we have this free guys. So we get in there. And this one is gonna be an easy fix, you know. Trust me, it's gonna be an easy fix. So what I'm gonna do now, get the screen components them, pull them apart. Yeah man. We can go on with it. Up on that side. Yeah, so my little family, I make him go and help me out a little bit, you know. You know why your mother crucify me, you know?
No, it's not there.
Touch it every now and then to see which part you have point and make sure you see me clear.
Yeah.
Good, bright, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah man, blessed. So watch my hand movement them when me attack, you know. Yeah. So yeah guys, you don't know me if you show him what I go on and tell him how to get the thing the right way for you can get the angles then. Yeah man, so that's that. You see guys, that is the first step of getting it loose, but I'll get the frame off first. Don't want this to dangle too much because I don't want this at the ribbon. Oh, this is the damaged screen, so it can't always dangle. The good screen is there. So well, we still have to take precaution though. Yeah man, we still have to take precaution in every little details, you know. Make us see what. Alright, so you have some screw here. See them here? Them screw here, them lock the frame together. So I'm gonna release them. Release these screws. And so I can have the frame free if we take the screen out. I don't think the reflective sheets, I'm gonna take them out. I might just make them stay because it's just a screen I'm gonna replace on this one. Very easy fix guys. Yeah man, very easy fix, yeah? Yeah man. So, I'm gonna pull the clips then now. If we get the screen off. I can't find my tool them. Though see none of my flat point them, so I have to use scissors. I have flat point. Can't believe I don't see none of my flat point them. I'm going right in front of me. I don't know what I look for. Alright, you see how easy guys? But if you don't have experience doing this, I wouldn't advise you because you can damage the screen itself if you don't know what you're doing, alright? Yes, so that is that. See there? just like that. You understand? Frame is off. That is the first step. So this is the damaged screen. This is the screen that has been broken, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I flip it back off, flip back these off, the clips that hold the screen board, the logic board for the screen. Peel it over like that, and then even though it is damaged, this is how you have some little sticker tape on it. Yeah, very easy. You can do this on it by yourself, you know. See, very easy. And this is the broken screen, and you see, very simple and easy, 1-2 steps. You see me replacing it. All right, so that is that one. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you where the light them stay, right, or rest within the frame of the TV. So when you lift up this, that is it. These are the lights that illuminate the screen and make you can watch your TV, guys. Yeah, man. So there's so much sitting on one side. So you have the lower and the higher side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 12 lights in all in the row. Yeah, 6 in one row and 6 in the other. All right. So we don't need to go that far, because we're going to do a replace. We will replace the screen. All right. So fast forward, we'll pull up the next screen now. We'll pull up this one and get this screen out and put over on that one. All right. So same procedure. So catch you know when we have put the screen on and light it up. All right. Bless. All right, guys. So what I go on now, we buck up on a little problem. The two black point them are the same exact brand, but the circuit board will connect the ribbons are different. So what me have to do is transfer over the circuit board over to the other one along with the screen. You understand? Yeah. So that me have to do. But everything else can work apart from that. Hold this together for me. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I talk about. Alright. You see this connection here? Connector is different from this one. So you can see this one is a ribbon, and when you look on this one, it's a different type. Yeah? So what I have to do now, I transfer this screen over with this board in this TV. So that is going to be the mission now. Think it's gonna be a little bit easier, but it turns out a little bit tricky. But we're gonna fix things same way and get it up and running in a minute. Alright? So catching you back, guys, on the mission. Alright. That is it. And please remember to subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. Our bangers we are bringing on the doorstep. You get me? So give it the love and give it the support. Yeah, man. Blessings. So first thing first, we just put over the screen, then we transfer the board. Two different logic board to the screen, and the circuit is slightly different. other side of it can catch it. To that side. Me, I want to catch night as well, boy.
You know?
Go to walk like this. You know what I'm doing like that?
You did the one.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to transfer over the screen onto the next. So put this label on. See that guys? It's that simple enough. Or me just make it look simple because of my experience, you understand? Yeah, so everything's seated perfectly fine. Make sure so there is nothing underneath the screen. When you lock it, so you don't hear creak. And the creak sound they're gonna make your belly hurt you. Alright guys. It look easy because of it look easy because of experience. You understand? So if you don't have the knowledge of doing it, I would not advise you to. Alright. So now I'm going to take this circuit out and put in the other circuit. Make everything match up. Show them the circuit. People want to see the little details I go cutting in a so I'm not around to show them, you know?
Yeah, by the way.
Yeah.
To make us there.
See? This is a circuit for the broken screen, right? And now I'm replacing it with the one that has the good screen and the bad light. Alright, let me find something out where most people think I might not know, at least technician when I might feel. You understand? You have this ribbon here, right? I could easily plug this out and make a replacement. This one. And make a replacement. But you see, sometimes them give trouble because some wire might shift or set different. And me not put myself in a whole heap of work to go through all of that. So I rather just take the circuit out, put the circuit here in, match the screen, everything good and done. So I know people are gonna come at me saying, hey, that's a simple ribbon change. Yes, but what if it send power to the wrong part of the circuit? What if it wire different? Because there's things on this circuit that is not on that circuit. So I'm just not taking the risk. So I just do it as I know it can be done easily without any error or problems. You understand? So that is it. Oh, my bad. Same circuit. No, but I figure it out before, you know. Come here to wait. What go on this? Connection them different. Know what means that show me take off the next one. Off of the top. Check, you know. Just a screw up. So this, just checking where to put that screw. Sometimes I say I have to do it, you know, guys. I want to make the wrong dog a feed from the puppy. From the dog.
Yeah, you want to try the mother bite off.
See guys, everything fit up nice. See, everything click in and clock in. So where is the good power card now?
But I want to know.
Put on this. Final connector.
new panties now. I'm going for new.
Don't watch it nice in our background, you know. Some mad people are talking.
See?
Okay, so I'm gonna now put a one screw in it to keep the back together. One on that side, one on this side. Alright. So let me see how good this work now. If this work, I want to give me 500 subscribers, you know, guys. 500 sub on the video. Alright, pour in that. So we're going. Look at that. Look at that.
I'll turn the TV over and somebody.
Look at that, guys. You see what going on? You see what going on? So now, can I get 500 subscribers for pull this off? Can I get 500 subscribers, guys? Please subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. You see, I'm great, you know. You know I'm great now, you know. I hold it, and next thing what I'm gonna do, are the phone I'm gonna work on. So I'm catching up on that one. But just gonna finish seal up this and get this out of the way. Lock up the next TV and boom bang! Big up on yourself, Robinson team. Up. Blessed. Yeah guys, so as I said, we just finished with the TV and now with the phone. Yeah man, so you don't know, we're gonna start on that now. We're gonna replace it with this screen. You understand? Brand new. The screen here, no good. Broke up. Alright. So here goes. And there's some dust from off of the TV. Never get to clear the table. Alright. Hold something straight. So let's start by pulling down the phone, guys. Here's a ribbon. I don't know this specific phone. I think it is a Samsung A10. Yes, it look like. It look like the S version. So alright, so these are the first thing. After you pull the back off, you pull this. Alright. Then it have some safety screws. We're gonna release those. You understand? And this look like it did get like even water damage, because you can see the sticky residue here. That I show sign of liquid. Even up here. And we just pull it back. So I go on. You have to put it so close. So this is the tear down part of it now, guys. Sun I come up, you know. So sun actually the right behind me. So I have to move work man them fast. this one, come from here, and I pull this one. First, I remove this from here 3 screw bullet. So I remove it. May I get the specific name of the phone, the Samsung that I'm pulling up, and have it in the description. Alright. You leave the dog alone. Wanna, Mickey, so what the place? Might have move a little bit too fast, you know, guys, but I know now I see everything will go on. Maybe I have to slow down. I see, so I'm gonna get all the clips them off. I'll remove the battery in order to get to the screen ribbon and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna put some heat on this button. Go pan that side and make it through yeah, shake so much, yo. You're a young boy, no?
So you think? Oh, what? That is. I'm not using a fan and no come out.
Ah, should have gloves at the end of this, you know, guys. Hot! Finally get underneath it, guys. Hot. Whoa, hot. Get the screen up, guys. To lift the battery is a must. Okay. See that, guys? Without the right tool, you can't get the work done, you know. Woo! Hot! Yeah, man, well hot, guys. If you're gonna help me out, you have to focus and stop shake so much, you know, brother. Any idea, I don't want the video shaky. Hot, 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 hot. Woo! That's it.
So you're pressing the battery for?
Yeah, me have to press it back down. Yeah, guys, so you see what going on? We get the bad screen off. Yeah, man. So we're gonna put on a new screen and then check in. So this is the new screen, guys. This is the bad one.
Bad screen versus new screen.
Alright. Yeah, man, just checking the ribbon. Okay, everything connect, everything right so far. Alright, so there's a piece of toilet paper we made, piece of paper we did this. Just cleaning off the camera, guys, from the old broken screen that was there.
Worry.
Alright. See, guys, T7000, the glue of choice. Yeah, man, we get back the screen firm and tight. No?
Just change.
Properly see it now, guys. We'd have some, bring some lasket out here.
Show over this too.
Get some lasket. Yes guys, so basically finish, you know. You understand? Just put on some lasket, round it to keep it tight and firm until the glue dry. In the meantime, I got also put on the battery. The adhesive where the battery was is very strong, same way, so I'm not gonna really put no more. What is there is gonna keep the battery in place firmly. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put back a few of the clips them back together, and then I'm gonna just insert back the battery.
Ready? I think I turn this turn off.
Okay guys, so basically finish. I'm gonna just the lock up process, so let's all put on a few more lasket, make it go and keep the screen together. As me say, them thing I walk in the park for me now guys. Them thing I want me always do. You understand? Walk in the park. As you can see, how quick was that? Huh? Yeah man. As you can see guys, how quick was that? Yeah man, so just get a couple of minutes for jelly in. Yeah man. And then we start put the rest of the parts together. What I might do in the meantime, I put on the charger card, put on for a little time and make it go and get some charge in it. Clean out the port. Now the battery is supposed to well dead in guys, so let me see how long it gonna take to get some power in it. Yeah guys, so when we have put it back together, like set everything back, we check in again, alright? Bless. Yeah, okay guys, just showing you the progress on the phone. The phone is now charging. It is now at 2%. If you can see it, it said 2. Now it's at 2%. So it's a success, guys. The phone is up and running. So just check now and make sure when we put it together properly, just to check now and make sure the touch and everything is working perfectly, and that is it. The owner gonna receive basically a brand new phone because the screen is new and the screen is actually the phone. Yeah man, so catch you fitting it up guys. Alright. gonna put it together now. Yeah, bits by bits.
Bis, bis, bis.
Bits, bits, bits.
Yeah. I want the red tomato, dear man.
Hmm?
I want the red tomato.
I'm not hearing you. What are you saying?
Red button.
The red button?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
I'm recording me fixing the phone for your dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fixing the phone for your dad.
My living dream too.
Huh?
My dream dream.
You're what?
My dream dream.
Oh, you'll give it to him?
Mm-hmm.
You?
Mm-hmm.
Or you wanna take it to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
When I'm done, when I'm done putting it together, I'll give you to give him, alright?
yeah.
Okay.
Wow. That's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's nice. That is so nice, Keon.
Mm-hmm. And then yeah, me, your tie.
You gonna?
Your tie just like this.
My car? What happened to my car?
So,
Hmm?
I'm gonna make it with white.
You're gonna make it with white?
Yeah, and I'm gonna paint it.
You're gonna paint it? That's nice of you.
Where did this still car?
Now I'm putting the phone back
That's
together,
how it
guys.
That's how the meow. And that's how the bodies is. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Open the door. Meow, my daddy driving the car. Meow, my papa driving the car. All the people are driving the car.
Who drive the car?
All the people are doing the car, dear man.
All the people driving the car?
What's this?
That's Alaska.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah, Alaska.
Yeah, I'm gonna make your tie just like this.
Huh?
This is your tie.
You know you distract me and I forgot to put on something.
Hmm?
I forgot to put something on.
Phone?
Yeah.
So
Oh.
what that do?
Tougher rainbow.
This is a signal wire.
I'm gonna make the tougher rainbows. Tough. Dear me, I'm gonna make the tougher rainbows.
What?
I'm gonna make the tougher rainbows.
You're gonna make the tower for a rainbow?
Yeah.
Oh.
Inside, can paint it. And then you paint it. You paint it. And you paint it.
You like rainbows?
Cause me write it.
I don't like rainbows.
Okay. Like that on the part. Check the part. This is. And then my powerful rainbows. I want myself to see baby. Very good.
Who said that?
Bring me over my powerful rainbows.
That's nice. You did that all by yourself?
Yeah, I just made the powerful rainbows by myself.
Okay, that's so nice.
I just love rainbows.
You love them? Okay.
Dear man,
Hmm?
how I'm gonna make dear man?
Huh?
Why how I'm gonna make with this that all the rainbow rocket? What I'm gonna make?
What are you gonna make? Make a puppy, let me see.
Yeah?
Make a puppy for me.
Okay. That with the puppy.
Yeah.
Chicken and smell over yourself. I would want the chicken.
Chicken. Dad. Dad. The dot eyes. Another eye. Another eye. Another. Dear me, yes. I met the dad. Daddy Tom. Daddy Tom. Daddy Tom. Check out look at the dad. Woof, woof. Daddy, woof. Woof. Woof up. Woof. Woof. And then don't make up my dad.
I'm not messing up.
This I glue.
Damian. Damian.
Yeah?
Can you please make a restaurant knock?
What that?
Damian, make a dot.
Oh.
Because I'm here, I am here. See, no, Damian. Baba, come build with me. Mommy, not that. Come build it.
Mommy nah go cuss.
Mommy,
A beer things you go out in. When you go to school? You go to school January?
yeah.
Okay. That's nice. Proper talk, she talk, yeah.
Eh?
Speaking properly, can. You know say my trick you.
Eh?
You know my trick you. Yeah.
Oh, Baba.
Oh, Baba trick.
And then I find the border. Take home. And then
See the guys, fully up and running. That is it. See it. Yeah, man, that is it, guys. Blessed. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. You get what I say? Yeah, man, and always big up Robinson Family TV. More blessings.